ale tunina poem lavoi the Church of the Light Brigade chi gen na saulowin dinga hiai lavoi ei paitipa wala voi chi English poem akichia agel tu te poet akichia poet agel tu pa Lord Alfred Tennyson ahia ama ahile Victorians Queen Victorian UK ama hunina ama vai home hunina I hichibang lavoi gel min thang ma kigen hi hiai the Church of the Light Brigade brigade ichi sepai vaya hiya galdo na to kisaya hi brigade khata battalion thum oma battalion khata mi sang khat sepai zela Himalaya hiya hi level Light Brigade hiya amau mi asanga omlo tamlo chik Himalaya hang san ma well trained te battlefield akido na wahi the poem The Church of the Light Brigade is about the battle between the Russian and the British. Lord Alfred Tennyson would like to describe the valor, the bravery, the sacrifice, and obedience of the English brigade, English soldiers. He praised their bravery, the valor, the sacrifice. Half a poem concept there. Half a league, onward, all in the valley of death, rode in 600, forward, the Light Brigade charged the guns. He said, into the valley of death rode the 600. Half a league is 3 miles. Melthum gamla lai melthumin samlai masonun paitawun manotun mainotun china hiya aheutu pauna melthumin some only 3 miles left go on move forward koya bangchidi koya destiny in the valley of death bangjaka valley of death chile Russian ten kha thau pito thau lau hoi pito velampanga Amazona taglampanga amaulam ngat saina thau long man saina koiwa athau teu ake kwa ana fire wa himale sidi hi mabana liam ding hi chi theige goina commander pa thupia nial theina tampi a reason tampi dot the himale hoite bang ma dong lo na a obedience a hang san nau le akipiak zo nau wai thau tang ma pai to tom to atem sau doku akiswal nau gen na ahi British ten alela himale a hang san nau Lord Alfred Tennyson in two piece sama maina hi poema again ot pen I emphasize no pen kha why ahi in the valley of death rode 600 Light Brigade te ave kun mi zaguk ahi wa thau vui thau tang laka la huai pi thom ging tampi laka sidi chiki thege gu minon kap de chiki thege gu gamle nam it na hang san na thuman na order is order nial se lawa hang san taka malam suana apaiwa akido nawa tampi takasiwa tampi takliam le bai na omwa tampi tak gal te matin suang kula khumin a omwa why to hiai the Church of the Light Brigade in again ahe banga a battle a series of battle makes a war agichia English battle tampi hong kizom chiangina war hong swa ka hi chi Balaklava a Crimean War October ni som ni lenga sangkha jagiat som nga leli aha kidona muna Russia te well prepare thawi thau tang to hoi taka man sa an kibu an om hi cha eta kimulawa he a commander pan kha thupitu pan kha ase paisa pan huchia mel mate well prepare ai theiloin aman thu pia mai ama piak bang bangan nial het lowa British force te English te malam sona payu tampi tak siu tampi tak liamo tampi tak te gal mata prison of war a omu ahi thu Lord Alfred Tennysonin hiai I poem ilavuya again ahi dongni na forward the light brigade was there remain dismay no though the soldier knew someone had blundered dares not to make reply dares not to reason why dares but to do the die and die into the valley of death road 600 malam swanin payun allow sim ki tama ma ling titit kalle swan ngam non lo hong le om mai thayu amau laka hima le kwa man thu dong lo bangjia ka bangchidana chi kwa man commander pa kya nga donna bol kiwa avekuna mi zaguk te hi hang san takina kipe zo takina huai gal ma a adiang lu tu a tem sau hitale thawi thau tang hongom ting ting huai muna pai lut pen kha the valley of death singoi ngoi di chi ki thei liam ngoi di chi ki thei himale thupia a hi manina nial het loin kipe zo takle ut takle hang san taka apai na u thupi saloma amaina hai poem again thupi pen huai hi cannon on the right cannon on the left cannon in the front volley and thunder thao tang te vo azuka zu ging zoi mai storm at the west shot and sail bom tom te puak thao ging dot te ki zagi ge boldly they rode and well into the jaws of death in the mountain of hell rode the 600 mi zaguk light brigade ten thom ging bang za tai na lawaina me khu bang za tai na hong zamin thao dang bang za tai na hong leng ina vo asukina zulele kwa ma anung ton lo kwa man kalau chelo malam sona hangsan taka gamle nam adinga sepai hangsan British soldier te panna thupi na gen na ahi canon ichi thau pi china hiya nasim chawna theisuk pa dingwa thundered volley ichi cha kivo wal mai cha kivo to ni cha hong kesuk hoite kha volley hiya football volleyball bangena hisap leu chena thunder ichi china thom ging tuam van ging banga galvan ging duduk thau tangte bom te hui pi vo pi ma bang huai kom kala hang san takama so na payu in the jaws of death chi am dinga in the valley of death achi changina amun gen na hiya in the jaws of death achi changina huai thau vui thau tang redia amau lam ngat himali amau maswan ve del ve laulo hang santaka hoi kha jaws of death si na hatu si na halau hoi achi kha hoi galvan muge guwa hang santaka malama swan now gen na hi flash all the sabers bear flash as they turn in air sabering the gunners they charge in army world of wonders plants in the bad smoke atem sauteu alekwa aleng zwala aphoteu atoi khawa aluhu teu to akithwam nau to atem sau to akiswal namunwa kha leng reflection khong te zwal mai hui laka akitom nau bangom akun suk na bangom hucha olmo taka thai taka kiswal nau atem saulik te bang abul te bang atem ta te bang wai changa asiklu hu te wai changa pho te wai te hong to buai taka thai taka ki be nau ahi Russian Cossack kichite special force well trained khatahia wai ten kha panmun hoi taka na khona sawa hiai light brigade British force te sol lu tawmu huya second stanza dong ni na someone had blunder achia imakai pan hi hialahi commander pan hi hialahi bangjia ka igalte ki prepare ready ya thau vui thau tang to ei lam nga ta honum kwal hina min ana oma bangde man payun ma sonun daun chan sol lai lai yam china kwa man dot na dong het ke yo ayu to pa chi dan dana payu they win they charge they go forward and they also kill their enemies also shot them kill them many of them one another at the end the war ended that the British forces become the runners the Russian forces become the victory and the English forces were the vanquished. They were defeated badly. But then their bravery is great. Their valor, their sacrifice, their obedience is what Lord Alfred Tennyson would like to emphasize in this poem. Makai ihile. Makai intilahi hel nge le sisan nai san tampi luang hi mi tampi sia hi mi tampi galma takiman hi mi tampi in thua ka hi chi leng hi poimin again no hi heutu khati hi a makai khati hi le Lord Alfred Tennyson in poimo asang mama hi poima gel mang hiam chi le heutu in vai asai helle vai ahom helle thu apyak hel nge le sisan nai san tampi abeya liam le bai tampi mi aom lo a bana gal tem salmata mi tampi ki om thaya hi wajakina to be a commander to be a leader pilwang kanum lo hi chi kahun gen be ahi apoi mina ve ka gen no pa hi le light brigade te hang san na ki piak zo na thuman na siding chi thei liam ding chi thei himale thupiak bang pang malam no ta pai naw athupi naw Balaklav during the Crimean War sangkhat zagiat som ngalelia akido naw hiai poimin again hi hiai background thing neu chak theina poem simle china na the siam kalamena neu kha hon phan pin kalamena ki pa ka hin na ngai khyak jakina bangyam hi word by word ai keli line by line theinom na nei le to na et na link line SSPP a hi hon na dong le china kaman hun na kon hil dingwa hi word by word line by line le poilo ki pa ke